you to our YouTube channel GST with Tax Marvel. Today we are bringing to you some recent enhancement on GSTN portal. So before we continue, I'd request you to please like and share our videos and subscribe to our channel. Friends, recently GSTN has introduced 4 new enhancements. They have introduced ITC statement in Form GSTR 2B. They have also introduced filing of GST refund application for multiple financial years. So now we can file single GST refund application which is spread across multiple financial years. They have also introduced a facility to check bill of entry info with GST paid on import of goods and integrated the same with GSTR 2A. And they have also enhanced the facility of GST search where additional details are now visible when we search for GST taxpayers. So friends, let us see one by one. So recently, ITC statement in Form GSTR 2B is rolled out by GSTN. So what is GSTR 2B? So 2B is an auto-drafted ITC statement which is generated for every recipient on the basis of information furnished by the supplier. So based on the GSTR 1, GSTR 5 and GSTR 6 filed by the suppliers, you can view GSTR 2B. It is nothing but similar to GSTR 2A, but this is a static report to be generated on 12th of every month. So for downloading GSTR 2B, you need to log into GSTN portal, go to return dashboard, select the return period like July 20 or August 20 and generate GSTR 2B. It can be either generated in Excel or in JSON file. So now GSTR 2B can be used for reconciling of data with books of accounts and filing done by suppliers. So now before filing of GSTR 3B, you can download data in GSTR 2B and reconcile to ensure that the ITC is not claimed twice. Credit reversal can be done as per law. So the invoices which is not appearing in GSTR 2A can be acted upon, and also tax on reverse charge can be paid. So based on the declaration by the supplier, you can pay tax on reverse charge as well based on the statement downloaded in GSTR 2B. So what is GSTR 2B? So it will consist of summary of ITC available on the date of generation, which is divided into credit that can be availed and that is to be reversed. It is also a summary of ITC not available and divided into ITC not available and ITC reversed, your table 4. Mind it friends, this is a static statement. So this statement does not change once you generate again and again. So once this statement is populated on 12th of the following month, this statement will remain same. It also contains information on import of goods populated from IC Gate system of the custom portal, which includes your data on import from SCA unit and SCA developer, and reverse charge on import of service is not part of this statement. So as of now, reverse charge on import of service is to be declared on self-declaration basis in Form 4, Table 4A2 of Form GSTR 3B. Now friends, we'll proceed to the very important facility provided by GSTN for filing of refund application. So earlier when we remember, the filing of refund application was to be segregated financial year wise. So if I have a refund application which is to be filed for more than 12 months or spread across 2 financial year, separate refund application is to be filed based on the financial year. We all know there was a Delhi High Court order on 21st of January in case of Pitambara Books Private Limited, where Delhi High Court said circular cannot supplement the law. So circular can at max clarify the law, but they cannot beyond the substantive part of the law and override a law. So CBIC then accordingly amended the circular number 125/44/2019-GST dated 18th of November, which was modified to the extent that restriction of bundling of refund claim is not there. So based on that, now GSTN has developed the system in the GSTN portal whereby now multiple refund application can be filed, as well as a single refund application can be filed across multiple financial years. So let us take an example that there is a refund claim to be filed from January 20 to June 20. So January 20 to March 20 is in the financial year 1920, and April 20 to June 20 is in the financial year 2021. So if this enhancement is not there, we have to file minimum two application, one for 1920, one for 2021. But now if you can see, I have got this screenshot where this refund period, if you can see, January 20 to June 20 can be filed now. So single refund application can be filed. So this will also help the taxpayers in lesser compliance, where they can file a refund application across multiple years, and also the tax authorities will find it better for processing of refunds across multiple financial years, where the refund applications process will be lower than the present refund applications. Now friends, we'll also move to, in GSTR 2A, additional details are now populated in table D. So part D, if you'll see, is added in GSTR 2A. Earlier, data of import was not available in GSTR 2A. So now GSTN recently has enabled the facility to check the details of bill of entry populated in GSTR 2A. This is only for import of goods from outside India on bill of entry, and also import of goods from SEZ unit or SEZ developer on bill of entry. This does not include your import of service, which is to be declared on self-declaration basis in GSTR 3B. So how do I access this bill of entry details? So log into GSTN portal, go to return dashboard, select the return period, and then go click on GSTR 2A. Part D. So once you select Part D, you will see the screen whereby Part D has two parts: import of goods from overseas on bill of entry. Second is import of goods from SEZ unit or developers on bill of entry. So once you click on overseas, you will get reference date of ICGate portal. Then bill of entry detail is also populated, your port code, number, bill of entry number, date, and taxable value, and also the amount of integrated tax that can be paid on that entry or already paid on that bill of entry. Now friends, moving on to the last and important enhancement. So now GSTN has made available additional information when we search a taxpayer. So taxpayers can be searched based on GSTN or UIN or PAN, and also composition dealers can be searched. So once we search for a taxpayer, you can go to the GST portal, gst.gov.in, click on search taxpayer on home page, and then based on criteria, either on GSTN or PAN basis, you can search. So once you click on search and provide that GST number or PAN number and the CAPTCHA code, the details is on, in the basic detail you will find legal name and trade name. So most of the cases what happens is, in case of legal name and trade name are different for individual or proprietorship. So the firm name is different and the proprietor name is different in case of PAN, right? So both details are available now. Tax administration office for state and center is available. Registration date, constitution of business, whether it is a partnership firm, individual, or LLP or private or public limited company. Taxpayer type, regular or composition. Then GSTN status, active or cancelled. If it is cancelled, effective date of cancellation will also be available. Then the principal place of business. Then the nature of business activity which we have selected while taking the registration will also be applicable or available. In this case, the sum can be factory or manufacturing, export or recipient of goods or services, retail business, warehouse or depot or others, right? It has also given one more additional and very important information on HSN of the goods and service provided by the taxpayer. And last, they have also given GSTR 1, 3B and 9, 9C, GSTR 4 and ITC 04, means return filing details. So earlier the return filing details were there, but then they were not segregated in different tables. So now these details are segregated in different tables. GSTR 1 table is different, 3B table is different, along with your date of filing and month of filing and year of for which the return is being filed, and also 9 and 9C details are available. Friends, we hope you enjoyed our small update on recent enhancements. Thank you for watching our video, And we hope that you enjoyed this learning series GST with Tax Marvel. And don't forget to share, like, and subscribe our videos, and do also tell your friends or colleagues who want to make their career in GST or want to get updated on GST aspects. Thank you, friends. Thank you.